Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today we have an exciting topic that all travelers can benefit from, the ultimate guide to packing for a trip. Whether you're going on a short vacation or a long term adventure, we have got you covered. So let's dive in. Number 1, research and plan. Before you start packing, it's essential to research your destination and plan accordingly. Consider the weather, local customs, and activities you will be engaging in during your trip. Make a checklist to ensure you don't forget anything important. Number 2, choose the right luggage. Selecting the right luggage is crucial for a successful trip. Determine whether a suitcase, backpack, or a duffel bag is best suited for your needs. Remember to check the size and weight restrictions imposed by airlines if you're flying. Number 3, packing essentials. Now, let's talk about the essentials you should pack regardless of your destinations. These include clothing. Pack versatile pieces that you can mix and match. Consider the weather and activities that you will be participating in. Don't forget to pack comfortable walking shoes and a jacket or sweater for unexpected weather changes. Toiletries. Bring travel-sized toiletries and consider using resealable bags to prevent leaks. Don't forget toothpaste, a toothbrush, shampoo, conditioner, and any necessary medications. Electronics. If you're bringing electronics like laptop, camera, or a smartphone, make sure to pack chargers, adapters, and any necessary accessories. Important documents. Keep your passport, ID, travel insurance, and copies of important documents in a secure folder or a bag. It's always good to have a digital copies as well. Number 4, smart packing techniques. Maximizing space and organizing your belongings efficiently can save you a lot of hassle during your trip. Here are some smart packing techniques. Rolling technique. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save a space and minimize wrinkles. Packing cubes. Use packing cubes to compartment and separate different types of items, making them easy to find. Vacuum bags. Consider using vacuum bags to compress bulky items like jackets or blankets. Utilize shoe space. Place small items like socks or accessories inside your shoes to save space. Ziploc bags. Keep your toiletries, snacks, or other small items organized using Ziploc bags. Number 5. Pack accordingly to duration. Depending on your duration of your trip, you might need to adjust your packing strategy. Examples: weekend getaway. Pack a few versatile outfits, toiletries, and essentials. Keep it minimal and focus on the essentials. 1 week or longer. Consider doing laundry during your trip or packing lightweight clothes that you can easily wash and dry. Winter or cold destinations. Layer your clothes and pack items that provide warmth. Don't forget gloves, scarves, and hats. And there you have it, our ultimate guide to packing for a trip. Remember, planning, organizing, and packing smartly will help you make your journey stress-free. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. Travel safe, everyone. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or additional packing tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels!